Welcome to English Treasure. What am I? I am very wet. Wet. I move fast. Fast. I always go downhill. Downhill. I run to the sea. Sea. You can swim in me. Swim. What am I? I am very wet. I move fast. I always go downhill. I run to the sea. You can swim in me. I am a river. I am a river. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like it. If you learned from it, share it with your friends. And if you loved it, subscribe to the channel.